power of colors. Let's look at power of colors, right? So if you see, national colors are different for different people. I mean, if you are designing something from for, let's say, US versus India, it will be different. Pakistan versus India, it will be different. And the perception is also different. So whenever you think about food, you will always think about yellow, oranges, and reds or things like that, because the food is like that. There is a perception. So whenever you think a color like that, you might end up thinking about food. And then there is placebo effect too, right? So when doctors, this is a very interesting thing. So when doctors color their capsules, tablets, they also color it that way. So hot colored pills work better as stimulants, right? Cool colored pills work better as depressants, right? So that is how, this is the power of color. That is how you can use the color and influence the behaviors and reactions of people. So for example, if you look at red color, right? So it's something that is a very perceived as very good, good fortune and good luck for Chinese people. But in Russia, it is the symbol of communism, blood of the workers. So if you are using red for some positive stuff in Russia, won't work. In China, it will work. So that is how you take context and then you think about colors. This is the theory about the concept of colors.